Hello children, you're welcome to mathematics class. Today we're talking about weight. Weight. At the end of this lesson, you should be able to compare the weight of different objects. What is weight? Weight is the measure of how heavy or how light an object is. The measure of how heavy or how light an object is. For example, I might want to compare a stone and a paper. Have you ever tried carrying a stone? How do you feel? It feels heavy, isn't it? And then a paper, it's light. So we can say our stone is heavy while the paper is light. You can also find the weight of someone, like your own weight. It simply tells us how heavy or how light you are. Someone that is very fat, you expect that person's weight to be more than that of someone that is slim. So that is what weight is, the measure of how heavy or how light an object is. Now look at this. We want to compare this object based on their weight. You have 4 books here. Look at these books. Definitely I cannot carry these books with one hand. I will need to carry them with my 2 hands. And this is another one. This one book. I can carry this with a single hand, isn't it? So if I'm going to compare these 2 books, I would say this red one, this single book, is light, while these 4 books are heavy. So I'll say these books are heavier than this book. I'll say this book is lighter than these books. So you can see that this will be heavy while this will be light. So I have compared the weight of these 2 books, or this set of books and this one book. Do we understand that? Okay, this is also another one. I want to tell which is lighter or which is heavier. Do you know what this is? This is a pig. This is a pig and this is a duckling. Now, if I want to compare these two, I'll say the duckling is lighter than the pig, or I'll say the pig is heavier than the duckling. Now, this is a spring balance. We use this in measuring weights. So once you see the spring balance coming downward this way, this simply means the heavier object is on this part. And then the one that is moving up contains the lighter object. Look at, but the fact that this spring balance is moving down this way, that means the heavier object is here. So the pig is heavier than the duck or duckling. The pig is heavier than the duckling, or the duckling is lighter than the pig. Do you understand this? Oh, beautiful. Now this is another one. This is a shoe and this is a pencil. We're looking at this, you can see that this spring balance is coming, it's tilting this way, it's bending this way. So that means the heavier object is on this side, while the lighter object is here. So the pencil is lighter than the shoe. Or I can say the shoe is heavier than the pencil. Did you see this? But if the spring balance was standing horizontally, like both of them are on the same side, then you can say both of them are equal. That means one is not heavier than the other. The 2 objects are equal. But this time around, because it's tilting to one side, this side that is bending down has the heavier object. Okay, let's compare this. This is a berry and this is an apple. So the apple is heavier than the berry, or I say the berry is lighter than the apple. Did you see that? Now this balance is similar to your seesaw, the seesaw you use in your playground. You know, you're playing on your seesaw, one person is at one end, the other person is at the other end. The person that weigh more, the person heavier, is going to move the seesaw downward while the other person will be on top. So that is similar to what is happening here. The person with the heavier weight will be the one moving this place downward while the other person will be on top. Did you get that? Good. Now this is what I want you to do for me. You're going to look at this too and tell me which is light and which is heavy. So you're going to tick the heavy one and you cross the light. You know, you saw something, you get correct your teacher to tick it. Good. So that's the way you tick the heavy one. And then when you miss something, your teacher will cross it, got it wrong. That is how you're going to cross the light one. So look at this first diagram, tick the heavy one and cross the light one. And look at the second diagram, tick the heavy one and cross the light one. Look at this third one, tick the heavy one and cross the light one. Look at this, tick the heavy one and cross the light one. It should be very easy for you to do, isn't that? Okay, so you're going to try this out for me. This comes at the end of the class. Enjoy your day. Bye.